Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to a 143 scale video. And today we have the Opel Kapitan 54. So I'm guessing they were made from 1953 till 1955. So this is the 54 model. This is from the Opel collection. And this is a very basic looking daily driver by the looks of it. So from that time at least. So its top speed is 138 kilometers per hour. It can go up to 123 seconds. I'm guessing that is the engine size or something like that. It is 68 horsepower or 50 kilowatts. So yeah, looks pretty nice. This is a new casting for me, and what is going on that roof? I hope that's just dirty, not some else. Let me check that quickly off camera and see what is this. Okay, so it is something on the car itself. So I'll pause the video and see if I can somehow clean it off. Okay, so I got it off somewhat. It's still somewhat there if you shine against the light. I don't know what it was, but it was all over the car, and I just realized that it is damaged. Was it damaged before I started this video? Not sure now. That is very annoying. Let me check the floor. Did it fall off? Okay, I'll have to check that. Okay, let's just continue with the video. That is very annoying. I didn't even notice that. How did I not notice that? Or was it before there? And I dropped off? I'm not fully sure what's going on here. Let me get it off the base and see. So I'm having some bad time with this model. Okay, I found the tail light. It did break off. I was trying to get it off the base because the base got destroyed. The screw was glued in with the super glue for some reason, and yeah, I had to break it to get it off. So that is a case that, sadly, a box that will be thrown out. There's nothing I can do about it if they do that from the manufacturing. So I did glue it back on, so it is on there. And something else happened, but I cannot fix that right now because I need an even smaller triangle screw for that. So when I was trying to get it off, I had a crack of some sort, and this one wheel is now available. Like, it has some give. Like, see, this one that's all it does, and this one can go deeper inside. So I think I broke something by accident. Sadly, that is what it is, but it still stays leveled. It has a bit of a wobble though. It's not like I'm gonna play around with it or anything. It still stays in level, so I think it's fine. I will have to, when I'll get those necessary tools, I will go to the store one day and try to get these triangle styled screws in every size, and then I'll open this and see if I can fix this issue if I'll remember by that time. But let's check out the model at least. Now that one's going to be a little bit darker now, the tail light, than this one, because it had to be glued back in. So there's a little bit more to it than that, but mostly it's fine. Taillights do look a bit interesting on the back. I don't know why they did with this little curve to it and then go down, not just fully down and back and down, but yeah. Front looks very nice. I do like this front end. We have lensed headlights, windshield wipers. The steering wheel is pretty nicely detailed. And you got a little white interior. And there's your back. Got the old Opel symbol right there. You have an exhaust that goes straight. Well, it is a separate piece there, but then it's not a separate piece. That it's just a painted piece that goes sort of to the engine. The base is plastic, so these are pretty cheap models, so can't expect anything too much out of them. So yeah, I think that wobble is because of that one wheel, sadly. But yeah, there's a bit of a wobble now. I think it would still have a wobble because, like I said, these are not expensive models, I mean. So you can expect issues with them now and then. They're not perfect, but for the price that I got them for, like, I can't be too like angry about it. Like the wheel issue, this is my fault. This is my fault, but I think it could be an easy fix. So yeah, been taking too long on this model because multiple times of issues and stuff like that. But it is what it is. Can be all perfect. So yeah, that will be that. Hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.